I was sent this product to review, so really excited to get my hands on it and take a look. So this is a little AI box. So it's a multifunction wireless vehicle adapter. It does work with iPhone and it does also work with Android, so you can actually use both with this, but it is primarily meant to work through CarPlay. So if you have that kind of dashboard CarPlay in your car, this will actually allow you to watch Netflix, watch YouTube, of course, not while you're driving, but it will give you that capability so that you will have that in the car and able to leverage it on that screen. So it's almost, think of it like a portable, like Apple TV or Roku TV or something, but it's super small. I'm excited to get it out of the package, so let's see what's included. So I have the box, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up to see what is inside. Okay, so here is everything out of the package. And again, it is nice and secure in here. So look at how small this is. This is amazing. So you think of like your Apple TV, right? It's a lot bigger than this. So you can see how small this is. And this is just gonna pop in your car and serve as kind of like that mini computer that's gonna give you like the YouTube and the Netflix and the other applications. You also do get, of course, the cable, which you're going to use this to connect to your media center or your CarPlay monitor. But you can see here, this is a USB-C. And then here you have the USB. And then here you also have an adapter. So just say that you only have a USB, you can plug that in here to get the USB-C. So a lot of good connectors there for you. And then you do get a good user manual. Again, always appreciated for anything tech, right? You want to see pictures and, you know, a lot of steps on how to get it installed. But this is all it is, which is really exciting to me because that means I'm not gonna have to do all this where I'm downloading software and all of that. So it looks like it's very easy to get it set up. So definitely really cool. I love it so far. So let's see what's next. Here it is in the car, so you can see super small and super compact. So I have it ready to go. So you can see that I have my USB port there. So I'm just gonna plug that in nice and easy. And you can see, again, the cord is long enough. It works really well. And then you also have a light to indicate as well that you know that it is connected, which is helpful. Here it is all set up and I'm really, really thrilled about it. I think it looks great. You can see how large the icons are, so very easy to see. Again, this is going to provide you with YouTube, Netflix. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection in the car, you'll be able to, or you could tether it to like a phone, so that would work as well. So really, really happy with this. I think it's going to be great on road trips. Can't wait.